Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Thanks for tuning in again. Of course, I'm your host Mike, and here we got the REDCAT Gen 7. This is a follow-up video to the upgrades I did. We got the INJORA axles on the front and back. These are full metal axles, and I upgraded the servo on it. It came with a red servo horn, and we'll see how things look. It's got 25 kilogram servo. I'll have some links in the notes where I got all this kind of stuff. So this is running it as is after installed, and just let you guys know that the steering on this thing is awesome. This is my Ford F-150 truck that I now own. We scooped this up in the summertime and we really love this truck. Lots of snow out there, but this will serve a little good platform here to demonstrate what's going on. As you can see here, we have the steering, and the steering is so much better, so much better. So I got full steering. I have not trimmed it down, and if you watch over here and watch on the inside, I'll try and get this on the video, you can see that it touches, and when we go and drive it, you can actually hear it rubbing. It's a little hard to hear probably here, but there's a good example of it, especially when you back up. You hear that gang, 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 gang. That's the tire tread rubbing against the frame there, the suspension, the linkage. So anyways, so far so good. Seems like the plastic drivetrain is working well with the metal axles. I'm gonna put the radio down here, walk over here, grab the shell. It's Velcro. Tap some snow off. We are on the eve of a 2-day snowstorm coming up. We're supposed to get over a foot of snow, possibly up to 50 centimeters, which would be 10 centimeters short of 2 feet. So probably 4 inches short of 2 feet of snow. So I really wanted to get this video done. I've already gotten a few people asking me to show it. So we put the bumper back on and let's get this thing going. Okay, got the body all lined up. I think it looks good. Yeah, we're rolling. And just a good upgrade to do on this. Just that turning. I would never have been able to make this turns here with this truck. That turn, never in a million years with the stock setup. We're seeing the snow is melting a little bit today. It's about maybe 38 Fahrenheit, 40-ish. And this is the way sometimes it goes. You get a mild day and then a big wallop of snow comes. And tomorrow it's gonna drop down to -6 or so. And the snow's gonna fly, change from rain to snow, so it could be a real mess. So that's just a trip through the backyard. As you can see, truck flies. I love this truck. Just, there's so much turning now that never existed. Got a big melty spot out in front of my driveway, so we're gonna try and avoid that because it's full of salt, road salt, and we know salt speeds up corrosion. And we don't want that on our RC parts at all. So the kids have made a sled area here. It's kind of packed down. Truck's going up this hill. Whoa, yes, it did it. That's pretty cool. So that's melted quite a bit. Don't know if we can get up here. They haven't used this hill in a while. No, so we'll take it around here. But the two tests I want to see with this thing, one being how is it going to turn, and two, how's the metal axles going to run with the stock drivetrain. And I think the answers are thumbs up for both. This is more than I could have hoped for. The steering on this thing is unreal now. It better than probably any of my axials in my fleet, so real cool. This is going to be probably the favorite truck of my son now that it's not frustrating to turn. So I'm gonna have to fight for the remote. Pretty good stuff. This is cool little toboggan area that they've made. It's melted down today. A lot of fun. It'll be super exciting to take this out this summer and hit the trails at the nearby walking park. Well, maybe we can go up this hill here. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if you people notice, even though even these things have melted, they're still at the high points over there. Like in front over there by that's probably that's 4 feet high from the shoveling. Again, almost another 2 feet of snow. I might have to just do a video about the snowfall and how much we're going to get. So guys, thanks for tuning into this one again today. I'm going to bomber it around a little more off video. Enjoy the truck. But it's fun taking it out even in the snow. Oh no, I just got running shoes on. Hopefully I can ride it. There it is. Wow. And thanks for tuning in this again as always. Even though it's winter time here, I still hope you guys can get out and do some RCing like this. It's always good to take the air compressor to this, blow it clean afterwards, let it sit in the laundry tub sink, let it dry. The little bits that are left, run time's a little shorter in the cold, but always good. So guys, thanks for tuning in this again. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope you get a chance to RC. If not, hope you're getting time to watch some RC on YouTube. We'll see you again soon, and everyone take care. Peace out.